I know. Okay, now I'm going to do a harder problem that goes from mass of one to mass of another one. So if we have 120 grams of oxygen, and we want to know how many grams of carbon monoxide can be made. So I start with a number, label, and chemical from the question. This label and chemical go on the bottom because I want to cancel them, and moles of this chemical have to go on top because that's the only thing that grams can go to. These two cancel. I'm left with moles of oxygen, which is not what we're trying to find out, so I need another parenthesis so this label and chemical can get canceled by putting it on the bottom. These cancel. And now I'm in moles still of my first chemical, so I can go to moles of the second chemical now, which in this case is carbon monoxide. But I'm left with moles of carbon monoxide, and the question asks for grams of carbon monoxide. So I still need another parenthesis. This label and chemical have to go on the bottom so that they cancel. And now I'm in moles of the second chemical, so I can go to grams of the second chemical. And that's what the question asks for, so I can put my label and chemical for the answer. Go back in, fill in the numbers for my relationships. The misses is this middle parenthesis because it's the only place where I have both our moles, two different chemicals. Get the number for the misses from the coefficients. Coefficient in front of carbon monoxide is 2. Coefficient in front of oxygen is 1. Moles not in the misses. The number that always goes there is 1 for chapter 10 problems. Grams off the periodic table. Oxygen is 16, but I have 2 of them, so I have to add them up to get 32. And carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. Add those up to get 28. If there's a number in the top, you multiply. If there's a number in the bottom, you divide. So this one says to take 120 divided by 32 times 2 times 28. So 210 grams of carbon monoxide can be made. So the same process is used if we're doing stoichiometry to solve limiting reactant problems, which I have to find in here. I'm good. Kai, you should probably make sure you can still see that black because it's really faded. You can't see.
I can see the black. I can't see what's written in black. I can see it. 1 MOLO2, 32 grams O2 slashed.
Okay.
Perfect. You know what? I can always zoom in if you write in small.
When you're editing?
Post edit, yeah.
Okay.
If I think I need it. Like when you were drawing the diagrams of moles can go to this, that, and that. That I could tell is probably going to be too small.
Well, I think I'm going to type that and post it in my classroom anyway, so they can actually print that off and see what I'm talking about. Because I just drew that the other day for a student, and it made it click for them, so I think it'll make it click for the students that don't have me showing them how to do it. Right. Got it, dude. Oh, I need a new one of these, too.